So good afternoon. This is Scott Jones, owner of Northside Collision, and this is kind of an odd video to put on my website. I'm actually on vacation with the family right now, but received another call today from one of my vendors who indicated some fear that Northside Collision is selling out to another company. I just want to tell you unequivocally that is not happening. We're not selling, okay? Gary Bell and I have built this company together for the last 32 years. He just retired about a year and a half ago, and we are continuing that legacy of growth. We are a locally owned and operated company. In fact, we are one of the only locally owned and operated body shops still in Syracuse, still operating in Syracuse. Yes, there are big corporate companies coming in, big corporations from out of the country, in fact, some from across the country, trying to buy up all of us little guys. Well, guess what? We're not selling, okay? I love this company. This is my family. My blood, sweat, and tears are in this company. We're not selling, okay? We have over 150 employees now. Praise God. We've been blessed in this community by all the people in this community have supported us over the years, allowed us to grow, and guess what? That's 150 families that are being supported by this corporation and by your support. So thank you, all of the customers and vendors who have helped us succeed. Thank you. And God willing, we will continue to grow this thing without the help of corporate America. So yes, there are rumors being spread by our competitors that we are selling. And that's the kind of sliminess that we've come to know in this country from big companies. Not naming names, don't know who's spreading the rumors, but I can tell you it's all over town. And again, we are not selling. We are a locally owned, locally operated company, one of the only ones left, as a matter of fact. Every dollar you spend with us at Northside Collision supports all the families in and around our community. So again, thank you. I know this message has gone long, but I want to be critically clear. We are not selling. We have not sold out to anyone. Do not believe the rumors. Again, it just kind of pisses me off, honestly, that people are that underhanded, that they would actually create rumors. And trust me, it's creating problems. We're trying to grow. We're trying to gain new locations. We're trying to bring on some great new team members to our company, and that specter is kind of hanging over our head. So bravo to our competitors. It's a slimy tactic. I guess it's a good tactic. Anyway, enough said. It's from the heart. We're not selling, folks. Thanks much. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you all of the families that are working under the umbrella of Northside Collision. God bless.